this video, we will learn how to configure subpanel controls. But before I dive into the details, let me create a demo VI which I will use to insert into the subpanel. Let's save it on the desktop. Let's call it demo. Let's connect the stop button to the conditional terminal and add a little delay. Let's clean up the diagram and we are done with the demo VI. Let's create a template from event handler, user interface event handler VI. Let's call this button insert. Let's place a subpanel. Let's create the code for obtaining the reference to the VI. The demo VI. Let's run this VI when we press the insert button. And let's not wait for it to be done, and let's not auto dispose the reference. Let's pass the reference to the subpanel, and when we press the stop button, let's abort the VI. So let's clean up the diagram and go to the front panel. So we can right click the subpanel control and select from the following items on the shortcut menu to configure the subpanel control. The first option is scale object with pane. Scales the object to fit the size of the pane as the pane resizes. This option is not available if another object is currently set to scale with the pane. Let's set this one, insert button, to scale with the pane, and in that case the option is not available when we right click on the subpanel. First we have to deselect the object that was set to scale with the pane, and then we can select this option. Or the pane is set to scale all objects with the pane, which we can set from right clicking the pane itself, going to sizing option and then selecting scale all objects with pane. If we now come back to the subpanel, right click and choose this option, scale object with pane, we get a error. You cannot set the object to scale because you have already set scaling for all objects on this front panel. What do you want to do? Scale all objects or scale this object? So if we run the code, So our object is now resizing. We can also use the set scaling mode method of the front panel to configure this option programmatically by going to create, then invoke node, and then set scale mode. The scale mode options provide us with no scaling, scale all objects, or scale single object. If we select scale single object, then we have to provide the reference to that object. Let's edit it. Next option is make panel transparent. But before we invoke it, let's see how it looks without using this option. Let's give a background color so that we can differentiate it. If we run VI insert, as you can see, the background is not showing through. Let's stop it. Now let's invoke the option make panel transparent, run the VI, insert the sub VI in the demo VI in the sub panel, and now we can see that the background is now showing through. We can also use the panel transparent property to configure this option programmatically. Property node, allow panel transparent. Let's place it here, change it to right, and create a control for it. Run the VI, set transparency to off. The front panel of the demo VI is not transparent. Let's turn it on and then reinsert, and the front panel of the demo VI is now transparent, not transparent. Next option is allow user to open diagram. So let's run the code. Let's check mark. Let's place the check marks against the allow user to open the diagram, and then let's see what happens. Run the VI, insert the demo VI. So if we now right click, this displays an open block diagram item on the shortcut menu when the user right clicks either of the following areas: on the border of the sub panel in a running VI, or within the border of a sub panel control, but not on a front panel control or indicator loaded in a sub panel control in a running VI. If we do that, the block diagram of the sub VI opens up. We can also use the allow user to open diagram property to configure this option programmatically. So let's place it here. Let's change it to right. Let's create a control for it. Let's clean up the diagram. go to the front panel, run the BI, allow user to open the diagram. Let's keep it off. Right click, no option available. Turn the option on, and now the option is available. And we can see the inserted BI's block diagram. Note, we can use the pane of a sub-BI in a subpanel to configure the visibility of scroll bars for subpanel controls and to scale the front panel in subpanel controls.